Are you tired of working around the clock and never having enough time for yourself or your loved ones? What if I told you that there's a way to generate income without actively trading your time for money? That's right, we're talking about passive income investments, the ultimate key to financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 passive income investments that can help you build wealth while you sleep. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income investments, a powerful strategy that can help you achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Number 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Imagine owning a piece of a company that sends you a portion of its profits regularly, just for being a shareholder. That's the beauty of dividend-paying stocks. Companies like Verizon Communications, IBM, and Johnson & Johnson have a track record of rewarding their investors with consistent dividends, creating a steady stream of passive income. Number 2. Real estate investment trusts. REITs are like having your own rental property empire without the hassle of managing tenants or renovations. By investing in REITs, you can earn a share of the income generated from a diversified portfolio of properties, ranging from office buildings to shopping malls. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Have you ever thought about becoming a modern-day lender? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper and Funding Circle allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on those loans. It's a win-win situation. You earn passive income, and borrowers get access to funds they need. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit. While not as glamorous as some other investments, high-yield savings accounts and CDs can provide a safe and reliable source of passive income. With interest rates on the rise, these low-risk options are becoming increasingly attractive for those seeking a stable return on their savings. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. If you have a knack for creating engaging content or have a strong online presence, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to passive income. By promoting products or services on your website or social media channels, you can earn a commission on every sale you generate. Number 6. Rental income. Whether it's a vacation home, a basement suite, or even a parking space, renting out your underutilized assets can be a lucrative source of passive income. With the rise of platforms like Airbnb and Turo, it's easier than ever to turn your property into a money-making machine. Number 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. This low-risk, low-investment approach can generate passive income as you scale your online store. Number 8. Blogging and content creation. If you have a passion for writing, photography, or video production, you can monetize your content through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Number 9. Cryptocurrency staking. For those interested in the world of cryptocurrencies, staking can be a way to earn passive income. By holding certain cryptocurrencies in your wallet and participating in the validation process of transactions, you can earn rewards in the form of new coins. Number 10. Licensing and royalties. If you're a creative mind, you can earn passive income by licensing your intellectual property, such as artwork, music, or even inventions. Once you've secured a licensing deal, you'll earn royalties every time your work is used or sold. There you have it, folks, the top 10 passive income investments that can help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, the key to success is diversification. By spreading your investments across multiple streams, you can minimize risk and maximize your potential for passive income growth. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and start building your passive income empire.